Hello students, welcome again to a new video lecture of Fundamentals of Computer. So in this particular lecture, you are going to learn about characteristics of computer. And the first characteristics about which we are going to learn today is automation. So what do we actually mean by automation? So we can say that an automatic machine works by itself, which means that any computer or any machine which is working, which is working without any human intervention, then such type of machine is known as automatic machine. Okay, and the next thing is that as we are talking about computer, so we can say that computers have automation power. That means computer can perform the task automatically by using the program which is provided by us as a user. So whatever program you are giving to the computer, and the computer is performing the task according to it, so these all comes in the category of automation. For that reason here we are saying that computer is an automatic machine. Now the second characteristics is speed. As we know that computers are high speed in its operation. Like we all know that whenever we are applying or whenever we are giving any kind of instruction to the computer, then we get our result in very much less time. So we can say that computers are very high speed in its operation. And as we are talking about speed, we can say that in the computer, the speed is measured in terms of instruction per second, which means whatever instructions you are applying to the computer is measured in terms of per second. Okay. Now the next characteristics is accuracy. So what do we mean by accuracy? So we can say that accuracy is basically means to be accurate. Okay. For example, if we are saying that you are very accurate in your task, which means computers are highly accurate in its operation, which means whatever result it is giving to us is very accurate, which means they either give correct answer or don't answer at all. Okay, and there is a very less chance of error in the computer, or we can say that error can occur in computer, but these are mainly due to the human. Okay, we can say that these errors are basically due to the human, not because of technological weakness. Okay, for that reason we are saying that computers are highly accurate. Okay, now the next characteristics is no feeling. Like we all know that computers are basically devoid of emotion, which means they don't contain any emotion or any kind of feeling. So that's why it is known as computers are devoid of emotions, because they are machine. Okay, now the next is integrity. Integrity means is basically the ability of a computer to carry out a sequence of instruction, which means if you are providing a certain amount of instruction to the computer and it is carrying out task at the same time, then we can say that computer has its characteristics of integrity, which means it is the ability of the computer to carry out a sequence of instruction per second. Okay, now the last but not the least characteristics is power of remember. Okay, so as it is written that the computer can store and use any amount of information because of its storage capability, because we all know that computer carry a large amount of storage. Okay, for that reason it is carrying a great power of remember, because as it is storing a large amount of information, therefore its power should be high. For that reason it is written that computer can store and use any amount of information because of its storage of capability that is very high. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood about the characteristics of computer. And if you are feeling any query, you can just write in the comment section and we will try to just solve your query. And yeah, until that, keep learning and keep smiling and take care of your health. And yeah, like, comment and subscribe to my video for more latest update. Thank you all of you.